at the snow, guys. Look at that. Oh, I got the flash on. You can see the snow. You guys see it? See anything? Yeah, look at that. Oh, baby. You already know what that means. Another snow vlog video, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna walk my dog when I get home. Look at this, guys. Ah, I love it. I love it. Let's go. I gotta turn off my flash, guys. Yeah. Let's go. I'm sure you guys can see the snow. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy, guys, with the snow right now. Like, funny part is we love the snow and then we want it gone. But no, look at this. This is gorgeous, guys. I don't want to get caught driving, but this is beautiful, man. Beautiful! Christmas season, holiday season, let's go! You know, walking a Sita, but look at the snow. Jeez. Now, this is what I wanted really bad, guys. The snow. Yup. Ciao with the cars, the Sita. Let me show you guys more of the snow. Look at that. It just started snowing right now, guys, in the nighttime, but tomorrow we have another video up tomorrow in downtown Toronto, baby, with the snow. But yeah, let's get to the video. Look at this. Yo, look at the snow, guys. Look at the car, the snow. Man, that looks sick, bro. Oh yeah, this is what I wanted, guys. This is a footage that your boy Fly Lopez wanted to get. Look at this. Look at the snow. Oh yeah, buddy. Let's go. What's up, Osita? Yes, I'm so happy. Watch this video get a lots of views, over 1,000, baby. Look at the snow. This might be the background, the thumbnail, I mean. Can I see myself? Yeah. That's gonna be the thumbnail, baby. Man, I just love Christmas season, guys. You feel me? You guys feel me? Okay, I can't record too long because my phone's getting out of dead. So I'm gonna get the new phone, new iPhone. Look at the snow, baby. What? This is what I'm talking about. This is what I was craving and wanted, baby. Let's go, baby. Look at this, guys. You guys don't even know how crazy this is right now. I went in my ear. Look at that. Yo, Sita. Oh yeah, baby. This is what I wanted. I'm so happy, baby. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yeah. Man, it's crazy up in the snow, man. Oh yeah. Look at the snow, guys. The ground. Yeah. It's getting full of snow, baby. Look at the snow, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here because it is getting late, and yeah, I need to post a video for today. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button for more snow videos, baby. You're not leaving the fly world. It's getting my beard. Remember one thing though, I'll be back though. Yeah, stay fly.